Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing some DIY Dollar Tree nautical decor. I've never done nautical before on my channel. I've done glam, I've done farmhouse, rustic. So I've gotten a lot of complaints from people saying that I need to do something different, and they sound sort of annoyed that I'm doing a certain type of decor and that I'm not doing something different. And I want you guys to keep in mind that usually when I do DIYs, I do stuff that's gonna go in my home. Probably 80% of the stuff that I make, I do actually display around my house. Once it's done, once I'm tired of it, I usually take it apart and then remake something out of that. And I try not to be wasteful. I try not to spend a huge amount of money when I make things. I'm always trying to do stuff that's going to be budget friendly, and then always trying to do stuff that I know you guys can recreate. Just know that anything that I make, I'm making it because A, it fits my home, and B, to give you guys inspiration to make something to your liking. Although I would love to, I'm never ever gonna be able to please everybody. Also, these videos take a really long time. On average, a video will take me about 10 to 15 hours from start to finish. On average, about 2 videos out a week. A lot of the times I'm not gonna be able to, you know, create something that everybody wants. So just take what I'm making and feel free to run with it. I'm sorry that was super long-winded. I promise my videos don't usually have that long of an intro. Anyways, if this is your first time here, I would love it if you became part of the DIY family by subscribing to my channel and hitting that bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. All right, let's get on to the DIY.
So for this first one, I'm going to be using this Dollar Tree frame, and it's about 11.5 by 7.5 inches, and then also some of these Walmart giant craft sticks. I did cut 4 pieces to about 5 3/4 inches long, and now I'm just going to glue them to both of the longer sides, and then I'll measure out the other 2 sides once I have these glued on there. So there's going to be a little bit of a lip when you glue these down. That's the side that's going to be facing down when you're all done with this tray. But as you notice, the relax word, if you do get this frame, you're going to want that to face up just exactly how I'm doing it right here, and I'll explain why in just a second. After the sides are glued, you're going to want to flip it over. So see how the relax word is backwards now? If you do decide to do it this way, you guys can just cover it up with the craft sticks and turn it around, and it's like a nice frame. You don't have to do anything else with it. You can just put the popsicle sticks as decoration or a background. Anyways, I'm making a tray, so I'm going to flip it back over and then just trace out my craft sticks and cut them and glue them over. Oh my gosh. Today's a struggle, guys. I'm so sorry. Alright, so once those are all glued, I'm going to take this sanding sponge from Walmart and then just sand it down so it's not rough and there's like no splinters or anything like that. And see, now you can see what I was meaning, where you have the popsicle sticks as a background if you want to keep the frame just as is and the word relax is not backwards. Now, taking 8 wooden blocks from Dollar Tree, I'm going to make 4 legs. So I'm going to glue 2 pieces together to make a total of 4 and then just hot glue them into the corner of the frame. So this is what it's going to look like, and actually I thought it looked super cute. It gave me an idea that you could use it as a jewelry holder. All you have to do is put like a sawtooth hanger or like a D-ring hanger on the back, hang it on your wall or wherever, and just hang your nice jewelry on it, and it looks super cute. So this didn't quite focus for me, but this is apple barrel paint in white from Walmart. I'm taking a baby wipe, and as you can see, I squeezed all the water out of it, and just to make it a little bit thinner, and I'm gonna basically whitewash, or is that what it's called, I guess, or stain my little stand here. You guys can paint it whatever you want, but I thought this was a good way to go for that nautical look. Alright, so for this one, I'm using a small mason jar, and you guys can get these wherever, and then also some Dollar Tree twine. As you can see, I did cut out several pieces. I'm going to take a total of 4 pieces, and I'm going to crisscross them. So once that's done, I'm going to take 2 more pieces, glue them to the top, and then wrap it around the jar at an angle. So I'm going to take a strip of the nautical rope from Dollar Tree. As you can see, it comes in a strand of 3. I'm going to take one of those strands and then glue it as handles onto the mason jar. And then after that, I will be using some black Dollar Tree wire, and I'm going to wrap it on the little handles. I'll also be wrapping the top of the mason jar with the Dollar Tree twine. So for this next one, I'm going to be using this little Dollar Tree wooden relax sign that I found. To be honest, I really don't know if they still have them or not. I just got it. It might have been a fluke. I actually have this one in a really big size. I know this is super grainy, but just to show you guys what I'm going for. So I'll be using some of these colors from Craftsmart: black, navy, ocean breeze, and then a pale blue. These are from Michaels. Feel free to use whatever colors you want, whatever shades you want. I'm just going to do it to, again, match that nautical theme. And then for this top part, or like the base, I'm going to be using the navy blue with like a droplet of black just to make it darker. This shade is the Ocean Breeze with a tiny bit of the navy blue. And then this next one is just the navy blue. I don't remember adding any color to it. And then finally, this one's the Ocean Brew. I need a beer. This is the Ocean Breeze with a little bit of that apple barrel white. And then just to give it a distressed look, I am going to take the lighter color to distress the darker colored letters, and then vice versa. Throw our problems in the flame. We fell down to the bottom. So bottom up, please. We're gonna get over this. Alright, so last but not least, I'm gonna be using this silver candle holder from Dollar Tree. I still don't know if they have these or not. I have a lot of stuff in my stockpile that I'm just reusing. So taking that apple barrel white, I'm going to go ahead and paint this. I'm gonna have to give it several coats just because it's so shiny. It takes a little bit for the paint to actually catch. More than anything, I'm using it as a primer. Now, taking this apple barrel white and this bright gold Craftsmart paint, I'm going to mix them together to give it like a different shade. And I'm going to paint the top and part of the bottom on the candle holder. And it's still a little wet. I literally have zero patience when it comes to painting. And it was kind of runny. Honestly, you guys have to wait for this thing to like completely dry before you start your paint, because it's just going to take you longer in the long run if you try to do it my way. And I realized I wasn't filming when I was painting this, so taking the same colors that I used for the relax sign, like a transitional type of color, dark navy blue at the bottom, a lighter navy blue top, and then like this middle part I'm doing in that Ocean Breeze, and trying to like blend it together. Once that's dry, actually not really, I didn't let it dry, then I'm going to wrap some Dollar Tree twine around it. I get a little bit breathless. Just where it was needed, gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time. Nobody is losing, faces merge and change, but your face remains the same. Swallows will be here by the door. When we're finally sober, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt.
guys, so that's gonna be it for today. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, it would really help me, and I would love it if you gave me a thumbs up. Leave me your comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.